Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to continue the explanation of lesson number 5, the last leaf. Okay. So in the starting I told you that their two friends were there in the same floor they are living. They were living they were from different states, different places. Okay. So they, because they are doing the painting and their interests are same, so they were living together. Okay. So once upon a time that John C was suffering from pneumonia. She was not feeling well. Okay. So she called the doctor. Doctor told her she is suffering from pneumonia and we have to take care of her so much, then only she can cure. Okay. So what had she was trying to she started counting the leaves of the tree which was outside the window of their house. Okay. So let us see what happened next. What is it, dear? Asked you. 6, said Johnsy in a voice still lower. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100. It hurt my head to count them. But now it's easy. There goes another one. There are only 5 now. 5? What, dear? Tell your shoe. Leaves on the tree. When the last one falls, I must go too. I have known that for 3 days. Didn't the doctor tell you? Oh, I never heard of such a thing, said Sue. It doesn't have any sense in it. What does an old tree have to do with you or with your getting well? And you used to love that tree so much. Don't be a little fool. The doctor told me of your chances for getting well. He told me this morning. He said you had very good chances. Try to eat a little now, and then I will go back to work, and then I can sell my picture, and then I can buy something more for you to eat to make strong. So what happened? So when she started counting, so what's it, dear? Asked the shoe to Johnsy. She told that 6. Okay. So they are falling very fast. But she was not understanding what she is counting, what it is falling. She told that before 3 days it was 100 leaves were there on the tree. Okay. Which was outside their house near the window. 100 leaves were there near about. But within 3 days all fall down and now only 6 are remaining. And it is very giving hurt to my heart. Okay. And it hurted me to count them, but now it's easy. There goes another one. Only now one more fall down and it is now 5. 5? What, dear? Tell your shoe. So leaves on the tree, she explained that I am counting the leaves of the tree. When the last one falls, die. I must go to means I will also die that time. Okay. So I have known that for 3 days. No, I will live only 3 days. Didn't doctor tell you means doctor told you to, doctor told you that I will live only 3 days. Like that she was thinking. ओके तो वो सोच रही थी कि डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया है कि अब मैं सिर्फ 3 दिन बचने वाली हूँ और उसके बाद जैसे ये सब पेड़ के पत्ते गिर जाएंगे मैं भी मर जाऊंगी. सो लाइक दैट शी वॉज थिंकिंग. सो उसको स्यू जब सुनती है तो उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. तो वो बोलती कि ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. एंड वाई आर कंपेयरिंग द योर लाइफ विद द ओल्ड ट्री. दैट इज ओल्ड ट्री एंड डेफिनेटली द लीव्स और फेल डाउन. ओके क्योंकि उसके लीव्स वो पुराना पेड़ है और उसके लीव्स गिरेंगे ही. वाई आर काउंटिंग दैट. देखो डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि तुम्हारे अच्छे होने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं और तुम ऐसे बातें मत करो. और मैं आज अपनी पेंटिंग बेच के तुम्हारे लिए आई विल ब्रिंग सम फूड टू ईट. ओके सो एंड यू विल दैट मेक यू स्ट्रॉन्ग. You don't have to buy anything for me, said Johnsy. She still looked out for the window. There goes another. No, I don't want anything to eat now. There are 4. I want to see the last one fall before night. Then I will go too. Johnsy dear, said Sue, will you promise me to close your eyes and keep them closed? Will you promise not to look out the window until I finish working? I must have this picture ready tomorrow. I need the light. I can't cover the window. Couldn't you work in the other room? Asked Johnsy coldly. I would rather be here by you, said Sue, and I don't want you to look at those leaves. So what happened? She told that you don't bring anything for me for eating. Okay, don't bring. I don't want to eat anything. Now see, one more leaf has fallen down and now it is 4 are remaining. Okay, when the last leaf will fall, I will also go. I will not live alive. Okay, so बोलती जॉन्सी डियर, just you promise me, just you close your eyes and try to sleep. Okay, take rest, and you promise that you will not look out of the window because I am doing work. I need the light from outside, so I am not closing it, but you should not look out of the window. Okay, so I have to complete this painting, so I am sitting over here. तो सीयू बोलती है उसको, तुम दूसरे रूम में जाके अपना काम कर लो. तो सीयू बोलती है कि नो, आई हैव टू बी विद यू बिकॉज यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल एंड आई विल नॉट गो एनीवेयर, आई विल वर्क हियर ओनली. So tell me as soon as you have finished, said Johnsy. She closed her eyes and lay white and still because I want to see the last leaf fall. I have done enough waiting. I have done enough thinking. I want to go sailing down like one of those leaves. So Johnsy बोलती है कि तुम्हारा जब काम खत्म हो जाएगा तो मुझे बता देना, and I would you tell me just when you finish the eyes. She closed her eyes and lay down on the bed. Okay, and because I want to see the last leaf, she told that I want to see the last leaf, how it will fall down. Okay, so try to call Brahman to come up here. I want to paint a man in this picture and I will make him look like Brahman. I won't be gone a minute. Don't worry to move till I come back. She told that I want to come. I want to call that man Brahman, and just you don't move here and there because I need him for this picture, and you don't go anywhere. तो उसको बोल के जाती है कि मैं आने तक कहीं नहीं जाना और मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में वापस आती हूँ. Old Brahman, who was Brahman? Old Brahman was a painter who lived on the first floor of their house. He was past 60. He had no success as a painter. For 40 years, he had painted without ever painting a good picture. He had always talked of painting a great picture, a masterpiece, but he had never yet started it. He got a little money by letting others paint pictures of him. He drank too much. He still talked of his great masterpiece, and he believed that it was his special duty to do everything possible to help Sue and Johnsy. So old Brahman was an old man. He was above 60 years, okay, old, and he was a painter, and he wanted to but he didn't get any success as a painter. Okay, कुछ पेंटर बहुत बड़ी बड़ी पेंटिंग्स बना के बेचते हैं, बहुत अमीर रहते हैं, है ना, लेकिन ये पेंटर जो था, he didn't get the success in his life and he was trying to paint a masterpiece in his life. वो कोई अच्छा यूनिक मास्टरपीस, बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग बनाना चाहता था जो हमेशा के लिए लाइफ लॉन्ग फेमस हो जाए. ओके, सो ही वाज वांटेड टू मेक अ मास्टरपीस ऑफ अ पेंटिंग and he was practicing to do that. Or he was a drunkard. Okay, he was drunkard because he was drinking alcohol. So he drank too much that day and still he was talking about the मास्टरपीस. वो सोचता था कभी ना कभी एक दिन ज़रूर आएगा जब मैं एक मास्टरपीस बनाऊंगा, बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग बनाऊंगा, एंड मे बी इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू हेल्प Sue एंड Johnsy. Okay, Sue found him in his dark room and she knew that he had been drinking. She could smell it. She told him about Johnsy and the leaves on the vine. She said that she was afraid that Johnsy would indeed sail down like the leaf. Her hold on the world was growing weaker. So वो उसको रूम में, दूसरे रूम में ले जाती है. उसको मालूम था कि he had been drinking, but उसको दूसरे रूम में ले जाती है और जॉन्सी के बारे में सब बताती है. लीव्स ऑन द वाइन, वाइन मतलब बेल, ठीक है, वो बेल थी और उस बेल में जो है वो पत्तियां लगी हुई थी. ओके, तो वो बोलते हैं कि शी टोल्ड अबाउट द जॉन्सी एंड द लीव्स ऑन द वाइन एंड शी वॉज अफ्रेड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द health of that Johnsy was going down, going down, okay, like the leaf. So, and her hold was growing weaker. She was becoming weak and weaker and weaker day by day. Old Brahman shouted his anger over such an idea. तो उसको गुस्सा आ जाता है सुन के. He started shouting at her. What? He cried. Are there such fools? Do people die because leaves drop off of a tree? I have not heard a such thing. No, I will not come up and a picture of me. Why do you allow her to drink such a thing, that poor little Johnsy? So he was surprised, he was shocked how this type of things, how this type of things are people thinking of. What is the comparison between life and the tree? Okay, so what type of fools you people are? You are comparing the life with a drop of a tree. leaves drop off a tree. So I have nothing, I never heard this type of things what you are telling, and I will not come up and sit while you make a picture of me. So why do you allow her to drink such a thing? So she told that he was making thinking about the Johnsy, that poor girl, what she is thinking like this. So she is very sick and weak, said Sue. The sickness has put this strange idea into her mind. Mr. Brahman, if you won't come, you won't, but don't think you are very nice. Okay, so we'll think she is very weak, and because of weakness she is getting this type of ideas in his mind. And Mr. Brahman, if you don't want to come, don't help me, I will manage alone, but don't think that you are very nice if you are not helping me. Okay, so what happened next? Okay, you can see in the picture what happened next. That girl was talking with the Brahman. You can see in the picture. Okay, so take the books and pencils and whatever scales and read along with me. Okay, do reading with me. So that girl was asking for help with the that old man. Okay, so he told that this is like a woman, shouted Brahman. Who said I will not come? Go, I will come with you. For half an hour I have been trying to say that I will come. God, this is not any place for someone as good as Johnsy to lie sick. Someday I shall paint my masterpiece and we shall go away from here. God. Yes. Johnsy was sleeping when they went up. Sue covered the window and took Brahman into the other room. They looked out the window fearfully at the tree. Then they looked at each other for a moment without speaking. A cold rain was falling with a little snow in it too. Brahman sat down and Sue began to paint. She worked through most of the night. Okay, so they wanted to help him, and what happened? This is shouted Brahman that who told you that I will not? Definitely I will help, but I will come with you within half an hour, and I will trying to say that I will come. Okay, so he told that because Johnsy is sick, and for her definitely I'll paint one masterpiece that will, and I will get success in that. Okay, so Johnsy was sleeping, so they slowly closed the window, and they told that they closed the window, and they looked out fearfully at the tree, and then they looked at each other without making any movement or without speaking. It was a cold night, and it was raining outside. Slowly cold rain was there, and snow was also falling that time. So Brahman sat down and Sue began to paint. So they started, she worked through most of the night to complete that painting. Okay, in the morning, after an hour's sleep, she went to Johnsy's bedside. Johnsy, with wide open eyes, looking towards the window. I want to see, she told Sue. Sue took the cover from the window. After okay, so what happened? In the morning, after an hour's sleep, she went to Johnsy's bedside. Johnsy, with wide open eyes, was looking towards the window. I want to see, she told Sue. Sue took the cover from the window, but after the beating rain and the wild wind that had not stopped through the whole night, there still was one leaf to be seen against the wall. It was the last on the tree. It was still dark green near the branch, but at the edges it was turning yellow with age, as it was hanging from a branch nearly 20 feet above the ground. It is the last one, said Johnsy. I thought it would surely fall during the night. I heard the wind. It will fall today, and I shall die at the same time. Dear Johnsy, said Sue, think of me. If you won't think of yourself, What would I do? But Johnsy did not answer. The loneliest thing in the world is a soul who, when it is preparing it to go on its far journey. The ties that held her to friendship and to earth were breaking one by one. The day slowly passed. As it grew dark, they could still see the leaf hanging from its branch against the wall. And then, as the night came, the north wind began again to blow. The rain still beat against the windows. When it was light enough the next morning, Johnsy again commanded that she be allowed to see. The leaf was still there. Johnsy lay for a long time looking at it, and then she called to Shiv, who was cooking something for her to eat. Okay, so what happened? This is, they wanted to in the morning, after half an hour sleep, she went to the Johnsy's bed, and she told that she was looking out of the window, and I want to see that tree, she told. Okay, and she took the cover from the windows. वो उसने खिड़की खोल देती है और देखती है कि बाहर बहुत ज़ोर से बारिश होने के बावजूद, बहुत ज़ोर से हवा चलने के बावजूद भी पूरी रात हवा और तूफान था, लेकिन वन ऑफ द लीफ वॉज अगेंस्ट द वॉल. लेकिन एक लीफ जो था, एक पत्ता जो था, वो अभी भी वाइन पर लगा हुआ था. ओके, सो इट वॉज अ लास्ट ऑन द ट्री. शी टोल्ड दैट वॉज स्टिल डार्क ग्रीन ली नियर द ब्रांच. सो वो सोच रही थी कि इतने मौसम ख़राब होने के बावजूद भी वो पत्ता जो है नीचे नहीं गिरा, और उसके साइड में थोड़ा थोड़ा येलो कलर भी आया था लीफ के, बट इट डिडंट फॉल एंड इट वाज 20 feet above the ground. So it is the last one, said Johnsy, that surely it will fall during today. Today definitely it will fall, and I heard the wind will fall today, and I shall die at the same time. So she was thinking that this last leaf when fall from the tree, definitely I will die. वो क्या सोच रही थी कि जिस दिन ये पत्ता पेड़ से गिर जाएगा उस दिन मैं मर जाऊंगी. Okay, so when the last leaf will fall, definitely I'll die. I will also go. Dear Johnsy, said she, think of me. Why you are thinking negative? Why you are thinking like that? Think of me, don't think like that. So Johnsy did not answer anything. And the loneliest thing in the world, दुनिया में अगर हम खुद जीना ना चाहें तो कोई उसे मरने से नहीं रोक सकता. Okay, so we have to will to win, will to live on the earth, on this world. Okay, then only we can live. Okay, so we should not prepare ourselves to go for far journey. So ties held her friendship and earth were breaking one by one. So these all words are tying her that I should not think like that. The day slowly passed, and now it became night again, and that leaf was hanging from its branch. Okay, and against the wall. So night came again, north wind started blowing. Okay, और हवा चलने लगी, रात हो गई और हवा चलने लगी और बारिश आने लगी. Okay, against the window again it was started raining, cold wind and snowfall. All things started at night. When it was light enough the next morning, Johnsy again commanded that she be allowed to see. Then again the leaf was still there. When she saw next morning, again that leaf was still, it was there, and leaf was lying over there. After a long time, for the long time she was looking at the window at that leaf, and then she called to Sue, who was cooking. She was cooking for her something in the kitchen. So she called her and told that, see, still that last leaf is hanging on the, still that last leaf is hanging over the branch. Okay, so what happened next? You also must read with me. Okay, and read with me, all of you. I have been a bad girl, Shiv, said Johnsy. Something has made that last leaf stay here to show me how bad I was. It was wrong. It is wrong to want to die. Okay, it is wrong to want to die. I will try to eat now, but first bring me a looking glass so that I can see myself, and I will sit up and watch you cook. An hour later, she said, Shiv, come someday, I hope to paint the Bay of Naples. The doctor came in the afternoon. Shiv followed him into the hall outside John's room to talk to him. Okay, so again she felt very bad, and she thought that it is very bad that I thought that I am a very bad girl. I was thinking that I will die with that leaf. Okay, when the leaf will fall, I will die. I am a very bad girl. It is very wrong to think about the die. Okay, so I will eat now something. I bring my glass. I wanted to see myself how I am looking. Okay, and I will sit and I will watch you how we are cooking. So an hour later she said, someday I hope to paint the she wanted to paint the Bay of Naples. Okay, she wanted to do the painting. So doctor came in the afternoon, so she followed him into the hall outside Johnson's room to talk to him. Okay, she took the doctor outside to talk. Okay, the chances are good, said the doctor. He took Shu's thin shaking hand in his. Give her good care and she will get well. And now I must see another sick person in this house. His name is Behrman, a painter, I believe. Pneumonia too. He is an old weak man and is very ill. There is no hope for him. But we take him to the hospital today. We will make it as easy for him as we can. The next day the doctor said to Shu, she is safe. You have done it. Food and care now. That's all. And the afternoon Sue came to the bed where Johnsy lay. She put one arm around her. I have something to tell you, she said. Mr. Behrman died of pneumonia today in the hospital. He was ill only 2 days. Someone found him on the morning of the first day in his room. He was helpless with pain. His shoes and his clothes were wet and as cold as ice. Everyone wondered where he. The night had been so cold and wild. तो डॉक्टर आता है, डॉक्टर बोलता है कि उसके चांसेस अभी ठीक हैं. शी विल गुड नाउ, शी विल कवर अप नाउ, एंड यू हैव टेकन गुड केयर ऑफ हर, so she is good. And but I have to see another person sick here in this building, and his name is Brahman. He is a painter. I think he also suffering from pneumonia. He is very old and weak, and he is very ill, and we have to take the hospital. And I can see whatever I can do, whatever I can. Okay, so next day doctor said to you that she is safe now. You have done it. Food and care, it is very good. And she came to Johnsy and told, I wanted to say something to you. So she said, Mr. Behrman died of pneumonia today in the hospital. तो बताती है कि उसको Mr. Behrman मर गए हैं और वो हॉस्पिटल में, और वो 2 दिन से बीमार थे. और मॉर्निंग somebody has found in his room. He was very wet and helpless with the pain. Okay, his shoes and clothes were wet, and he was as cold as ice. So everybody wondered what he did full night and how it was all, how he had been, where he had been, what he was doing full night. So he was wet and cold. Okay, and his shoes and clothes are also very much wet. So and then they found some things. There was a light that he had taken outside, and there were his materials for painting. There was paint, green paint and yellow paint. And look out the window, dear, at the last leaf on the wall. Didn't you wonder why it never moved when the wind was blowing? Oh my dear, it's Behrman, great masterpiece. He painted it there the night that the last leaf fell. So they told that they understood what was the matter. Okay, they found something. उन्होंने देखा कि उनके आसपास जो है वो पेंट पड़ा हुआ था, ग्रीन येलो पेंट पड़ा हुआ था, ब्रश पड़ा हुआ था, मटेरियल सब पेंटिंग का आसपास रखा हुआ था. ओके, एंड वो लाइट थी, जो वो लाइट बाहर लेके गया था, लालटेन थी उसके हाथ में. सो लुक आउट द विंडो डियर एट द लास्ट लीफ ऑन द वॉल. तो बोलते कि डियर वॉल पे देखो, उसने लीफ पेंट की है, जो कितनी हवा आने के बावजूद भी, वो इतना हवा होने के बावजूद भी वो लास्ट लीफ जो है वो गिरी नहीं. तो इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ अ ग्रेट मास्टर पीस ऑफ Behrman. He has painted this great masterpiece. Okay, so he painted it, and full night he was outside to paint that last leaf. And after that he get pneumonia and he died. Okay, so this was the story, and this is written by O. Henry. Okay, understood everybody? Okay, bye bye.